Ebia na meni ho inti nsem we omkan na ye ho nkrata na mentuma fa ma me lawyer. Ebia na meni ha nti asem no eduru bebi se no ye ka koa no. Inti me baba be kirechirem. Ebia sentence na o de ba me no ebia teso anase mema me nda jail kura. She has so many avenues to contest that decision by the judge or the court. This is not about NDC, this is not about MPP, this is not about who she is or who she's related to. It's about the law. After all these things, now this is our first story. Me per say idi hun komo, and it's got to do with this lady. I friend of Sedina Tamaklo, and I Sedina Tamaklo. Now asema beda ho no nyina say, the abesi nyina say eye maami na sebiu MPP abreso na omo mde ko gina court. Ade ko jontom ko gina court say say time na NDC was no na sebiu oye aban mu nipa nyoma bi efa ni nsemu a eye sikasem a NPP aban oma dwini mu no omo hu ne say sebiu we di boni etia Ghana, causing financial loss to the state. In fact, aban no eye MPP aban Ekufuado da no na Baomia eye vice president and no take decisions because ne nim se Ekufuado ye jimijimi no. Ye nyina as Ghana for no obia ani obia nkontokwa MPP for etna ase e kan ma dwiri bom se sa nipa we de e was say ye bia bibi na ye di please eye den eye omu base. In fact, some person politicizing now because MPP for share that, but Ghana emra or Ghana. And to me baby amigina no men can't say, oh, MPP for share that, and for a judge be, and for a court to be, so munjeli mami way. Ye call court, ye the evidence beto, bibia chere se mami way na odifo. Now, mami way na oniwo and assembly see ye, sena or ho crampa, sebio, omo mujine mumano no. Assembly send ye call and say, or say ye niko tu fiase. Na assembly see ye na mami no, oyi trom, ekosha bruchiri. Okosha bruchiri no, and I said, I was oba Ghana na obeshe jail na ocha jail term no mami we amba obetita America for a very long time and there a year court wa America say yanko fanemra na sebio court ka say yemfa nko to efiase no I was say efiase no okoda. Now when you ask me about this issue, I will tell you, say this woman needs to come to Ghana and this woman needs to serve her jail term. Sani mine. I wouldn't want to see anybody justify say enisa mami we eko jail. And the good thing about all this and then say Ghana for bedroom pempen, so we've all come to that realization, say when people are given opportunity, they are given the room to serve, or they are given the opportunity to serve, they need to make sure say a Juma area shop Monsano, they would stay away from anything that at the end of the day a bit to mama copy in jail. So me as I sit here, I believe the extradition way is in the right order. This lady has to go back to Ghana. This lady has to be jailed. In fact, ni jail term no air channel. She needs to go back to Ghana and serve her term. In fact, this woman, Odru Ghana, Nase Oko Jailer, she has the right to appeal a judgment, you know. So, as a sovereign nation, as a country, Embra, Echichire, Eboy, Hobaino, I believe, say, Samamu Eba Ghana, Embrano Echere say, I was Okode Fiase. Embrana Sasu Echere say, Ebia ye bua no fono na oni ho ye bua no fo woni chi anase ye bua no fono na oni wonti obetumi a contest anase obetumi appeal eye de judgment na judge no edito ho ma ende ye ka say yemfa ne mbra Ghana na yenye den yenjeli no. I believe say ombra Ghana, she has access to lawyers who can at the end of the day contest the judgment from the court. Intermediate, what I was saying is say this woman needs to be taken back to Ghana. She needs to go to Ghana. She needs to save she needs to serve her time in jail. And then if she feels, say, process na emanako end up in jail, and I say, process and our court proceedings na a leading up to judgment, you know, and they saw me that jail, no. So Jidi say, oh, some car, sebio, I'm fambra kwanso. Sebio ebia judge no, lawyers no, prosecutors no, embrebi oha oman shada anhwemu ye ansa na ye de sa judgment ne to no so and our sentence ne to no so no. I believe it's Oba Ghana, she has all the rights to hire lawyers to contest it in court. Because ye bebre nipa bebre ye jeli omo tumi akọ park, their lawyers have been able to sit down omo analyze assembly nyina ehun sedabi asem we de e wo say ye bua ye for nanso ye tena sini analyze a we ni entwa ye nti betuma sa akọ court and then your friend appealing a decision. And I believe said this woman needs to come to Ghana. She needs to come and serve her jail term. And if she believes say process no and caught the way and she has the right to contest it. She has the right to appeal it. She has the right to go to court and say, Madam Judge, Mr. Judge, please, as somebody had told me so, say the net here. Ebia na mini ho inti nsem we omkan na ho nkrata na mentuma fa ma me lawyer. Ebia na mini ha nti asem no eduru bebi se no yaka koa no. Inti me baba be kirechirem ebia sentence na odeba me no ebia teso anase mema me nda jail kura. She has so many avenues to contest that decision by the judge or the court. Inti I believe say this is not about NDC, this is not about MPP, this is not about who she is or who she's related to. It's about the law. And where the law is clear, we all have to adhere to the law. We all have to respect the law. Intermediate, I will not sit here and say, oh, this woman, she is an NDC person, and on your position be, if she believes, said, oh, yeah, you know, sebio na efakwem ondi bone, ondi juma, she should be bold enough to return, go to jail, and instruct her lawyers to contest that decision by the judge. Any rational Ghanaian, irrespective of your political affiliation, so your MPP or your NDC communicator na radio so to defend this, then I think you are getting it wrong. Because at the end of the day, court aka asem, court ama judgment. She needs to serve. So ora jail 1 month, 2 months, and 30 days. Not officially say, sa judgment no, the lawyers are study and would say judgment where they entra ye. And she can go back to court. Her lawyers can contest that decision. And who knows, maybe the judge will listen. Maybe they'll throw it away. Nothing is dead here. And I say, Bibia end yet totally. So I believe this woman needs to come to Ghana. And whatever we are doing to bring her to Ghana, we should be consistent. The Attorney General's office, the security agencies that are leading this transaction. When I say transaction, this coordination between Ghana and the United States, with the extradition, they should make sure, say, Mami way Abba Ghana to come and serve jail time. It's very, very important. Nobody in Ghana should defend these kind of things whereby people, at the end of the day, almost serve Ghana, we are now almost free Ghana. Now, there are some at was I will never support that. So I believe that this woman should be brought back home. So our case, she can make a case in court. There are people in jail today in Ghana. They are still appealing their cases. Some of them walk free. Recently, we saw Agrada go to jail. She had very good legal team. They were able to assess Agrada's case. They sat down. They did their homework. They went back to court. They made a very organic case. They made a case judge tia etasum. So even though Agrada was jailed, her legal team were able to do a good job in court. And it's ende Sebio Agrada is walking free. So if you live in a country where you percent mraye juma, you percent democracy, you're making sure say ejina naswa. These are things you are not supposed to support. When you serve as a civil servant, when you serve any a position as a political appointment, so when you say service now, and I will say we are legitimately. When you are called to come and answer, you should be ready to do that. The idea of running away and hiding in other countries and not coming back, it basically give people a idea. Be say we debone, we say we debone it na person beba. But if you believe, say service now over serve say one for end the dream, one for end sikadia, you should be able to come back and face the court to prove the case. Say undi bone. So this woman should be brought back home. There are no excuses here. Nobody should be like me NDC, so I have to defend this. Me NDC, no, this is nothing to defend. So we NDC now defend the idea we are, then you have a problem. Obianka say Mami Oba Ghana, she will never get a court hearing. She will get court hearing if she wants to go back to court. She will be in jail and still have the right to contest the judgment from the court. So why is she afraid to come to Ghana? And I think that this decision by the court, by the U.S. court, is in the right order. This woman needs to come back home. She needs to face the case. She needs to go to jail first. Because I don't need somebody to jail than it is. So she needs to come to Ghana. She needs to serve her time. Say 1 day or say 2 days or say 3 days or say 4 years. So if she wants to contest, she has the right to her lawyers. She has the right to the court. I believe say she has to be extradited to Ghana and then also face a year the court. Ghana let's put this kind of silly political argument aside. Adia enye. You better say now, mommy honest about it. You need to be on the political side. As I sit here, I keep telling Ghanaians, there's nothing like neutrality in politics. No, metihai My job is simple. My job is to make sure I keep the NDC in power for 42 years. That's it. I am not here to give or create any opportunity for the MPP to come to power. That is not my job. My job is to block the MPP from coming to power. And I'm not going to do that on the idea, say, I will say, be chantro. I will say, idea, enya no kure, no make us say, no kure. And I say, I need to create an impression, say, NDC is filled. And I say, NDC kuno, angels and guano. No. What is clear is clear. This woman needs to come back home. Or your NDC, I don't care. Or she can also hire lawyers to defend her in court. But jail term, she needs to come and enter the jail of Ghana. Very, very important. Into moment, you're very clear about some things. Now, you may be a DD grown again say, you bet my dad and nipebi, I play politics with everything. No, because say these things are near Juma. It will become difficult in the future to prosecute people. Now, kind of a creative avenue, we say, Ghana, beji political appointment, we are nipano nejani. That is what the NPP they have created. Now, the NPP created a dibia to system. The young piglets, the young MPP, grassroots na omoba happening and edomutrim say yenya tumia ni ewia Ghana ni ewia sikani bia kugwa bruche ni akotena bruche ti se kufuadmo ebusuafo no e de se MPP for no what they do. That is the kind of niche, that is the kind of ideology MPP right now they are rallying around. Sanka MPP honest political party and can they will be the people leading the charge to bring Ofori Atta back home. But because the party from Ekufuado, Bawumia himself, who is basically a liar, and every liar, all we know is say Bible cracker, Obia oya truth, Obia kromfo. Bawumia being a liar, he would never speak on Ofori Atta matter because on himself Ofori Atta jania wujano, it is benefiting or helping his political career. Because on himself Ofori Atta ba, omo eba say obo campaign akromfo ni Ofori Atta be bo muding. So you see, Bawumia is very, very lip tight when it comes to a year can Ofori Atta's matter. Ekufuado Nkebi, MPP, so-called National Executive Councillor, and Kokora Mutua Fujene, and Brewa Sebio Omonufu Agogo, they are not able to speak on Ken Ofori Atta's extradition. We are not supposed to be here talking about extradition. Ken Ofori Atta is supposed to be human. The MPP is supposed to be a party filled with human beings, to say, we need you back. Come and prove to Ghana for say, from Kufuor to Ekufuado to the last messenger in the MPP, the year you for. Now you are Ghana for ye the 2 more ye only 2 ma ye but they can't do it because the party the bile party no akuma ne bonyo no party na akuma dan yem no a party a omo akromfo party. So why would you give power to such people? Because when they go to Tescon and they go to the communities foolish fools who are following MPP, my idea in say Ofori Atta ya ye betuma ye bi, and that is their new slogan. If Ofori Atta can do, I can do better. That is the MPP for you. Do not underestimate the MPP. The biggest punishment between the MPP is to prevent them from coming close to power for the next 42 years. That is the biggest punishment we can give this group of piglets. Because right now, Omomotoni is simple. So Ofori Atta ya, and yes, if Ofori Atta can do, we can do better. We are going to steal. But they are sitting on the sidelines. Samira and Akron for they are sitting on the sidelines. After your marking in a view for MPP for right now, can Ofori Atta create an impression or party him? And a young MPP patriot or say, media minya to me, maybe yes, Jane because can Ofori Atta ye. And these are people you cannot hand power over to. And the MPP now is their core principle and say, Mami to me, ye wiawa, ye be Jane. Because I was expecting the MPP as a political party, not the code Minini Jimmy Fono. I was expecting Kufuor. I was expecting a Kufuor. In fact, I was expecting the leader of the party to say, no, Ken Ofori Atta, come back home. We are not thieves. May you Samira and your for on your chrome for Yanni MPP for Yanya you for come and prove to Ghana. But they are tight when it comes to stuff like that because that is what the party, the principle of the party, is based on those kind of things. And don't let us not get this twisted. This is a very important thing. This woman needs to come back home. This woman needs to come and serve the jail or right to hire lawyers to contest a judgment. Nobody is stopping her from, at the end of the day, contesting and appealing the judgment. We should not create that room for some politicians to think, say, they can come in, steal, and run. No. A typical example is the MPP. And you see the reason why Mahamudu Bawumia is running away from the media. He's running away from conversation because he's scared somebody will ask him, what is your opinion about the Ken Ofori-Atta's extradition? Why don't you appeal to Ken Ofori-Atta to come home immediately to save the MPP, to save you as the leader of the MPP? He does not want to face such a question. And right now, no, Bawumia, why say, Abeifo Kraba, Omdenashe Mpasi. Bawumia says, why say Abeifo Kraba? Because Anajo, and then Omotina Sutu. In terms of Bawumia Kwashe, Mpasi, they are scared because the moment he avails himself for questioning, when people who are rational start to question Bawumia, his political career will end. Into the strategy is keep Bawumia quiet till 2028. You keeping Bawumia quiet till 2027, 28, will not make Bawumia intelligent. It will not clean Bawumia off the criminality or leading spearheaded with 33 policies. That hiding Bawumia from the public will not change our minds to say Bawumia does not support Ken Ofori-Atta living in America after stealing from us. Into the better for you people, and they say, bring Bawumia. Bawumia is the leader of the NPP, not Ekufuado, not Kufuor, not Hakmanu Uswajiman, not any of those clowns who cannot make bold decisions and advise the party young people. Bring the leader of the party. So why did you people vote early? I thought you people were going into the election to bring Bawumia out, to be speaking more, to be telling us more, to be out there and us knowing what he thinks. Anyan said that it's him. Moto Obama Bawumia we are madana no Abeifo Kraba de nakoshe dem because Bawumia supports the MPP politicians stealing and running away to go hide in exile. Yeah, they are trying. Sedina Tamaklo needs to come home and go to jail. Sedina Tamaklo also be no court jail or right to court or right to lawyers. She can follow up the appeals court. And Nitina Mekache Ghana for said the biggest punishment. Yadebema this group of piglets, MPP for is to block them from having access or getting access to power. Mahamudu Bawumia, we need you to come out and tell us. Just tell us your opinion about the Ken Ofori-Atta thing. Senka Bawumia ni mnyansa na nkonya kromfoa ankende nkwa babontene insist say I want to fly to America, meet Ken Ofori-Atta and come home with him. But he can't do that because Bawumia ye kromfo. Bawumia nkanokre. MPP as a political party, Omonjuni Ghana ho, and a young MPP Nibia say, hey, Maminko di party next year. To me ba na menya to me a mi wiesi kadodo na ma yese Ken Ofori-Atta. Every single MPP youngster, every single MPP MP, Obi Abawu di Bawumiechi Oba Obembo, the idea is that I can steal and run away. That is why none of them is speaking about Ken Ofori-Atta coming home. Ghana as a nation, we should not now be contemplating going back and forth, trying to figure out how to bring Ken Ofori-Atta. Say MPP a party and Nyansafoma, they themselves, their leader, who is Bawumia, will take the initiative to bring Ken Ofori-Atta home. Now, Ken Ofori-Atta befie sisia, na okojina court, na court kase owiahia, when it take benefit, it is Bawumia. Because then it paves a way for Bawumia to prove to Ghana for say, ono onyewi, MPP for onyewi for. But at this point, why do you think Bawumia is not taking charge? It is because Bawumia knows Ken Ofori-Atta is a thief. He knows the MPP is a stealing machine. He knows that when Ken Ofori-Atta comes, his political career will even collapse before he touches down in Ghana. And Nitina Bawumia is not speaking. Yejirem MPP ene omotina ha muntie Kufuado. Nana dan Kufuado ende onene hene muntie Kufuado ende nana Kufuado for 8 years. Da be na oti se Kufuado teso for 8 years no. Ye the equipment be echo share hospital bi asesa hospital equipment uti bi da. 8 years Kufuado betina power. Oti se nana dan Kufuado regional hospital, district hospital, hospitals are eya ban hospitals, ya kosesa hospital equipment, ya sisa system, ya OTB for 8 years. Achichide wetina Ghana. Nitisa Atta eno namo na showboy. And the Ekufuado co-oppositioner muntie kwasi akeka hene. Muntie no.
Agenda 111 was designed to correct this imbalance by constructing district hospitals, regional hospitals for the newly created regions, specialized psychiatric facilities, and the rehabilitation of key health institutions across the country. It is a program that reflects a simple but powerful principle that no Ghanaian, regardless of location, should be denied access to quality health care. We must also be honest. Not every project was realized. Not every project was completed. Some facilities reached advanced stages but could not be finished before our term ended. Agenda 111 must be continued.
Well, say sometimes, Sanko for no call for insults, Na do danko for the catcher of Ghana, you tianica every month. Or the Nina Nuri, or Nene Ma. Okofa Jantra for Abruche by Beton Quasianum. Or Becatches Agenda 111, obesity in answer of free power, and of free power. Agove catcher said by force. And this Abino NC Agenda 111 in Quasiato. Taxes are your tiama ekufuado than our buying. Regional hospital to district hospitals. When to me, I equip any of them. Or Becatcher because of politics, because of campaign. Ekufuado I nitise felele bo, udim felele. Nitise felele. Nitise felele ana amai bo. Obeka chere se agenda 111 obesiri nyina ende ojina ka chere se ai agenda 111 office no na ne nyina dru various stages when timi appoint one agenda 111 enwurem ama oba anko wo amfa no ho amfa ne ba sanko fu ka chere se obesi agenda 111 hospital so Ghana na sewia egu ho pro na kumewu egu ho pro na eye afari gu ho pro the same toy after smoking obeka chere se ye jiminti ono obeka chere se yensi agenda 111 ne fa ne din to so. But then the Akando can send me and or responded to a Kufuado Kwasi Akikawi.
The former president, I wish he never said this. I wish he never said this. Unfortunately, he has said it. He told all of us that Agenda 111 will be completed before he leaves office. Let me even grant him the longer period he gave. That he will complete all Agenda 111, all the 111 hospitals before he leaves office. And by the time he left office, he had expended 4.8 billion Ghana cedis in Agenda 111, and not a single one of them was in operation. So this is the person calling us to complete Agenda 111. But let me tell you the good news. His Excellency the President has instructed that no project that he has inherited should be left to rot, should be left unattended to. So Agenda 111, we will continue Agenda 111 and we will finish Agenda 111. We will put every peso invested in this project to good use. So if you read the 2026 budget, it was clearly stated in it that this year we are going to finish about 10. And we may even finish more, I can assure you. And this time we are planning to see how we are not behaving like they behaved. We are planning. So we'll look for the source of funding. Even if they had planned, the 4.8 billion could have completed about 20 and roll out the next one. So now we are planning to see where government can come in to finish. Where CHAG, the Tayeboa is here, the Christian Health Association of Ghana, they are our partners. We are not into competition with them. Can you also come in to pick some of them, finish, equip, and run? The private sector, where do you come in?
You see, John Mahama Kai, or say, Nana Kufuado Jimmy na o Jimmy no o metena ka se Kufuado Jimmy enti obema bibia jegu Nana Ekufuado ado ene ba omia 4.8 billion ena omo gi edi so the Agenda 111 hospital 4.8 billion busa won say adentina MPP nya press conference nka say akando boa 4.8 billion into because kwasi ampanyi we ene ne nkofo di sikanti yenja bibia nguo. It doesn't work like that. Life needs to go on. We need to build. But the only way we can build is to make sure the NPP never come close to power. That is the biggest punishment we can give these twerps. Because when you give them room to come to power, then all that we are doing today is a waste of time. The only punishment, a such a punishment is to block them from coming to power. And the Kufuado Kache say, Yensi Agenda 111. En kwasiafo kwaje boba free Israel, elbeto aminemu so bobe cathedral. So refi. En kwasiafo we ebubu jaje for dying. Ebubu aban dan tugu se Ekufuado se one na Nyankopon kromphobia fa hye na Nyankopon bibo na Onyankopon papa no hye de bo a uwia aban sika e de kosi dan ma no e che sa Onyankopon no e kromfo. This is the same clown walking around Ghana telling us, yeah, the nebu man, ebo papa bang. And I'm a who's MP for Kankwa Sebi, a coup for the Yini check, not a month of a pouch. Why not pay for the show? Why not we are so dim of a peku for the show? And Kwasiadia we are going to make our own mistakes as a nation. Governance is not smooth, but that does not mean we should give credence to Kufuado. Kaya moi. Nana do danko Kufuado to me and Jimmy Ogana. And you people feel say, ye tikromono, ye nim de na ekwana. You people think say ye nine ye Gugana. Only in chanombre, no one de akoso. Mempore mempeso be mempeso did 300 years. Na obre. Nobody wish Kufuado dead. I want Kufuado to live for long. Sene be obehun ne kwasia. Obehun kwasia de anko ye. Na nka Ghana ejina ne naso. So nobody is wishing Kufuado to die. Me Kufuado wouldn't be me ya. I want him to live to like 170 years. Na ordinary who say made him kwasiasem ka me ye nyama ye and kan kwasiasem we can see. Me pese ohumu MPP for no the way Ghana be treat him say moi. I want him to witness it. And you people one day will go back and attack Kufuado and say it is because of your foolish leadership. It is because of unkwasiadia we cannot come close to power. A day will come. You people will demonstrate against Kufuado and say he is the evil. Because nobody wants to be associated with a group of piglets. So I know say Kufuado Ghana for we know what governance is. Things are going to be hard along the way, which we understand. Sometimes it's going to be a roller coaster. We understand. But that does not mean it's a Kufuado way. We are going to go back and say Kufuado yes, the Kufuado the Papa Ben or yeah as president. Kufuado can kwasa same na ne hene so di akire o chehene ono ne hospital bi siri kurom 100 years ne enye all the GMPs for sika aye party no na ne refi say live band ye ja live band boy ye betumi si hospital and this about power Kufuado kan kwasam ne hene so ne so and o chehene so akasa mumi ankoti Kufuado hene
enti ana say hospital for abra wasam na onim say o chehene na asisa wo frɛ ekopacho wabamu ansana obiayo. Not only say me, am I frustrated, but the nurses and doctors are also equally frustrated. 100 years later, there's no scan machine in Chebe Hospital. 100 years later, there's no quality laboratory in Chebe Hospital. They send them to Ofori or somewhere else. And even if they have to do the lab, sometimes it costs 4,200 cedis for a patient. How are they going to pay for it? So sometimes it's sad that you can correct certain things, but you're not resourceful enough. You don't have it. And not just laid out what he's done in the health system. And I'm aware that he appointed people to take care of this. He appointed people to build accommodations for doctors and nurses. How in the hell do we ask people to come and serve us when they have no place to stay? Doctors have left their families to come and work here. Young people. So not only do we talk about what could be done, but you talk about what you have to do. Action. Do it. I believe in the Nike slogan. Just do it.
Mr. Abuachi, what we gotta do? We gotta see here, man, you know. We gotta see here at a hospital. You know, to take a scan is gonna be 4,000 cities. Why can we live in a country like that? Do just for taxi for accent and all. And we can live a young and then you are an advocate for young doctors. Nana, Mr. Abuachi, today you are advocating. Today you are becoming a motivational speaker. Onyankupo hatas to your left intra. Eduaba no, eduaba papa no, eduaba boni na. Uye campaign na okachi emu ding etre Ghana for no. Ure fi say eduaba papa na o man to me 8 years no. Oya kwata. Na onim se Chebe Hospital, there was no scan machine there. Mo inkonya na motesono ene na be jeje mo. On send there, you are in the UK. You are receiving treatment at a hospital. For 8 years, ahimfia kesiye ne kasa kesiye na mutine mu Ghana. Inscription a kesiye ne flag a kesiye ne siso. Enkasetia ne ayampia ene atenie na wudie. Ufrantuma na otie kurase, Mr. Abuachi. And then na enim because we busuani a why say bosom di president nti ya. At a point okay just say ya be informa. Wo. Mesa Boachi. And the way friend to make slangs. Wakoki taxi ma oto ago obekire slangs. Na abosom na ye di usi omo so no yeso slangs. The Cherry Hospital needs a mechanical machine and tia break na ka de tia se the eduaba no na o kan twi. O kan ya kan Bible quotation na to so. And de when we say 8 years no na woti echebi no na scan machine na bi wo ho. And de wan kai ayampia o de wahenie ne dane na na champon nwom. O de dane Daddy Lumba nwom. Ekutiabo any ayampia na 8 years wo bo Ghana for udi atam na ubu mungiyaro na mu bugala na mu buni pattern and there's obi ajimi and na woti brofo and then nana we peje wa betri echirechirem onsa na dwumi no kase wo UK you are receiving treatment. There should have been a multi-million hospital, well-equipped hospital at Chibi. 8 years you never spoke about hospitals at Chibi. You never spoke about scan machines at Chibi. Your interest was to insult others who did not agree with your relative who was messing the nation up. Mudi hine to say, they are catering teachers. Oh, for carrot to mix it with Maggie Cube. Make sure the rice is 14 cups. I know if you say, cooking is science. Yama menu to win enquine or sanchini gun in Senu ato, or Nimdodu abetrim. Yano Yankongu school. It is not cooking school. I'll be quite certificate a chest over to me near Diana Chain and Timuni. May her soul rest in peace. You are people who have disappointed us. Now 8 years they could for the baby president, no. Now when you say scan machine no. Now Chrome, na scan machine no. You can't say dimatem. You were close to power. You were given GMPC money to just have a party. A party. Today is slanging. Now konyana at slangs. Akonyana what is no slangs beneti. I left Ghana on Sunday. I left the same time you left. I left the same time you left. You were going to the UK for health treatment. Why didn't you stay at Chebi? You didn't because you didn't for 8 years. You were not bold enough to tell that dwarf that build a health facility here that will have enough scans. You never did that. Now what try Yampia? Ediaba Bonnie no. Ne diaba bone ne nya ne yete ne diaba pa ba adan ne yentra ho ma na edua yetete krom ha ensem hunu ne edi ye nyina. And you see, we keep telling you people, mon kanokre. Some of you get close to power and you think we are all stupid. Moya no matagi ye we do NDC we do omu ade we de onani fie enso moya nkwara ansa na munyini yantia mo yanka no kranche mutina munyini so still mu hu de osamoye. And that is the problem I have with you people. And your personal, it's about your principles. Your principles are bad. At a point, now the Yesu Christo and Ebu in Kofuating. Now the Yesu Christo, now the Bible, na etwa yampia. Odane na ne champon. Odane dad lumba. Na otina kunyuma. Na ojin say, to me, sebio to me, and to me ndane. And na udi nyinani ama amena mwatamu. Urefi ho. And then you are slanging. Who are you slanging to? Chebi, for 100 years. For 100 years, for 8 good years, you could not tell your family member that he needed to build a hospital that had a scan machine. You couldn't do that. Eh? I mean, my dear, when the Kufuor was president, Agenda 111, Ofori power, na also we see area okoye inspection for politics. Now you betwaba. A Kufuor ko say a dan to uncompleted. Omu penti a dan overnight. And the Kufuor ko catch Ghana for say we see Agenda 111. This is the hospital. This is the Kufuor. Agenda 111 any. What do you see, Jimmy?
And there's a code.
Actually, there's nothing there. It's not like construction. The guy is still even fixing this place, so I appreciate
how you receive the body, how you prepare, how you store, how you give back to the family. Is this where is there pathology equipment uniform to do any? But why is the war?
Hospital good for the Jaini, Agenda 11 hospital Jaini. And the Oka just a chubby 100 years in the hospital is was scanning him. Nakana uchi the tongue got scan besime. Nana medo no homo. Taxi nana uchi no New Jersey no. Crabra na tongue na scan saying tongue can out is not flag is so tongue for got scan. Now don't depend on chichi binana. Mr. Wachi. Nipa na wudi omoso hene na sebio sika beka wo nsem no wudi asia himfie chenchenchen a wifi wo mu no tonka na wutimu no baby out there say ponko na ohia ponko to end na nka wie ekurokiti obu uhia Rolls Royce ekurokiti omu uhia Rolls Royce. You don't need Rolls Royce. It ton Jaguar no ton Rolls Royce no ton eye Escalade na uchi no ton car na pomasi anim no never koto scanning machine si wona so ye nipa. Utina kroma di atem ka kire se ababone ye John Mahama na abapa eye Kufuado. Uri Yesu eda Ghana fo udi atro etu Yesu so.
Sembebre wo ho. And your son die pa. Ah, odi die chi. Ana man na yetumi hia nei. Nsamwa yenim efita ma Ghana benya faunde be sabri. Me kansi mi hu se ani da so a yempanyi di kan on pe for man yi me giri asamba ewo yenya ye ba ye de hye anado Dankwa Kufuado the president nimpenso anya hunya ana anya ni nimde ana anya ni boafo ehwam ana anya suku okoye unya opanyia sabi na ni mrade no de oda o manu ye yo no odwe ho adam fua enu nti senia minister kan no ono ano ba se yesi mu ache ese Ghana yanga se tumi adwuma din na yetumi pa yesika ye de to on ye de hwe ye dachi na me se da nyina na ya fire bag na ye sresre o see na adwuma ba wie no na Ghana eja besia bo a Ghana beyond aid no atwam na krom ha ya sika ayhwe bia ye de ba adwuma ha enti aseda nsu atoyi entumi si akwan nsu no kire se adepa eba chimamu adepa eba Ghana mamu adepa eba Africa ha ade ba adwuma won wa die kire nsu a won ye adwuma no eye kwapem gold for mamu wana debi
oh time na o ye campaign o ka twiye mu da ho dweram twiye mu da ho na o ka ende o ka slangs e kire nkonwa nana mentao mundi nukure di nukure udi nukure a onyame beto nkwam mundi nukure ayampia kasatwie ensama ka che Kufuado hu nyina no obo besia che president bia owo ewiase Kufuado mutena patase na mo ye campaign 2020 October na ye kwakoto aba October 2020 campaign na wotena chebiye ne binie anamrefi me say ye the receipt be kire mo ama mo bedwane receipt
enya edishi onwi chebi pe ho no nwi achimpe ho odi ahweta Ghana ha nyina
ba
njuma pa awa yen afa bia no nim se onu amu no efi ewu no to mu no sikani bre ni ho osom ana ewo ho oyo bia nka ne ya kan isika dama na nso o person in sasu obi aso ntino o de hihye aba ema Ghana apaja enu ntina yen ya ho ase yen edi hye ya odi Ghana so ya kan wo Bible mu Yesu Yesu no kan yo as in Matthew 7:16 to 20 Yesu no ka say I know what you think. This is not a gospel Bible. It's a gospel Bible. Or see, on what Baba so na ye who won. wa beso ne bi hu.
Yeah.
Dua pa biara eso abapa.
Yeah.
Dua pa biara.
Yeah.
Eso abapa.
Yamba.
Na dua boni biara
Yeah.
eso ababoni.
Yeah.
Dua pa intumi nso ababoni da.
Yeah.
Na dua boni nso intumi nso abapa.
Yeah.
Nunti
Yeah.
dua biara eso abapa no.
Yeah.
Ena ebedi echi.
Yamba.
Yesu
Yeah.
eno kan.
Yeah.
Na dua boni nso ewom
Yeah.
enso abapa no.
Yeah.
Yehye no.
Yamba.
Yesu na kan.
Yeah.
Ochira mu mekaka se osajifo na kan Yesu.
Yeah. Otie.
Na ne ewom ni se
Yeah.
ana doe.
Yeah.
Uye dua penti.
Yeah.
This is one factory aso abapa.
Yamba.
One village, one dam aso abapa.
Yeah.
Free HSS aso abapa.
Yeah.
Planting for food and jobs aso abapa.
Yeah.
Napgo kwala na nko sukufo wama wadwuma aso abapa.
Yeah.
Bibi na fa aeroplane bi edro ekoma nkrofo hospitals no.
Yeah.
Zipline for no so aso abapa.
Yamba.
And infrastructure.
Yeah.
Akwan.
Yeah.
Ewura mo akwata.
Yeah.
Owaye.
Yeah.
Nene.
Yeah.
Nkofo tumi ni onuane ba krom.
Yeah.
Akwan aye.
Na abapa no ene wo kema yedai. Abapa de ntuma antos machine ba kwa amamo. Oh, politics are no more yet Ghana. That time. Where ye or hini you. And the slang you gotta build this. And then and the I know much so Kevin tell the on pay we asem. Omo receipt na betchere omuni pa ban. Or hini you. This is October 2020. Na ye kem. Or see aso abapa na abana so ye no dine. Na are eso kotre. Aso aba ye tumi di. Na die. One is one factory so diabano. Free SH diaban dinina. Nende u kemu kaslang se chireme na me do. But it do some time mon kanu kure. Mun di no kure. Mo kan na ma politicians da ye. Afemo hu ye de mu receipt ne be remind mu de bia Mr. Boachi. Ferry. Ton Jaguar no, ton Rolls Royce no. Chebi for munya demonstration kasa na nei. Ka na wutimu no. Time na ubedi ne na wonto bi. Ya hini ntina wuto sa aka no. Ton koto machine besi hospital. E kire wo ndo ukromfo. E kire wo ekuro mu so mo agimi. E kire wo mo so mo de mutumi nkwa abro kire nkwohwa mo ho yare. E kire wo bu eye nkofo odi omo so hini so mo ye nkurasefo. Sa ubu omo na ubu eye nipa no mutio mu omo sabio omo apomudin a ton Rolls Royce no. Ton car na watchro wo din egu anim no. Ton 4 wheel drive na wutwi na flags no. Ton koto machine. Abapa ni bi no because akufo ado ba na onya cars we nyina enti ton abapa no never koto machine be save nipa.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.